Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we're gonna looking at Young Simulator. Now Young Simulator, like these are the cards. Don't forget over there in your little space with that. If you can see, this is the cabinet when you burn bodies. This is the change clothes section. And let me show you all by one knives. Weak. Strong, stone sword. Extra strong is 2 iron knives. This one is a golden sword. That one is a diamond sword. See, that's my love's locker. This is my locker. This is my bully's locker. Let me see what's inside hers first. What have I found here? A bloody knife, diamond, and a pressure plate, and a blood portrait. Well, she has been killing. Actually, it is his butter knife and killed people. Let me see what's in my locker. 2 backpacks. Let me read my book. Hold on. One time a teacher is sick all day, and I'm in love with a girl named Shane Unray. A bully trapped her in her own locker. Then she met me, and everybody is jealous. And she looks beautiful, and I look handsome. Our teacher comes back 10 weeks. My lunchbox is awesome, and I love turning in. And I like subs and substitutes and new friends. Quick view of that book. Let me go check out PE. It's PE time on my watch. Yeah, it's PE time. Let me go see on my watch. Yep, it's PE time. Actually, it's lunch time. Let me go get my lunchbox. Done. Full. That's Johnny, my pet dog. This is a normal cow. This is my desk. This is her desk. She's blood. Oh, she has bloody feet. Let me see in this locker. Mine. I have a pencil and a key to my locker. This guy has a lever, normal lever. This guy has nothing. These guys are safe papers. But the bully sits right here. He took my key to my locker. I got revenge. Because look, my key to my locker. You can can see the lights have burned out. If I look up, see the lever? Pull it, the lights are back on. It's a little bit dark. And you can see it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Today's Saturday, so I get to do whatever I want. Because no teachers are out here, I'm just gonna flood this whole entire thing. Actually, I'm gonna go. Did I forget to bring my car again? Oh, come on, I forgot. Do I need to walk or run or jog? There's my house, right there. Alright, my house. I forgot to open the garage. That's why. Oh shoot, I forgot to open the garage. That's why. Shoot! Get these. Throw out this. Put that there. Put them there. Keep on my thing. You know what? I'm gonna test drive my car. Yeah, my car. Yeah, it is a horse, but it's a car. Because we don't have any cars in this Minecraft. Because you can see no cars. No cars. There's like wooden fences. And even more stuff. Diamond, download block, and all the mobs that are not even new yet. And you can see, I'll show you all the skin packs. Just wait, just wait. This skin I want, and this skin I want. And this skin, and this skin. And if you can find this skin, this skin, this skin, and this skin, I'll pay you $1,000. And this skin. And this skin. This skin, this skin. Then I'm about to say, if you buy me this skin, baby gas, and this skin, and this skin, then I want you to buy this skin, this skin, this skin, this skin, and this skin, this skin. I want this skin, oh I have it, this, no, I have it, this skin. Watch carefully. If I don't do absolutely nothing, she's gonna sit. Bat Santa, Robin, Turkey Zombie, Thing Zombie, Christmas pudding, Christmas tree. I used to have this. I used to have this. I used to have all these skins. This skin, every skin. But now, there's a new festive skin pack that I want. Then I'm gonna show you just in a second. See, this is the real Santa. That's Putty. That's Thing. That's the elf. That's the elf. That's the elf. That's Green Santa. That's Blue Santa. That's me. That's Thing. That's Thing. That's Thing. That is Rudolph. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a peeny naughty nose and tiny naughty snowty. And his nice slows all through all snap. I want Snowflake Man, whatever. I want this stocking, this candy, this thing, this thing, this thing, this thing, this thing. I have noticed there's some new things. Don't forget to buy this one for me, 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 this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Moving on to this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and 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 that 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 one, and yeah, I have that. That's usually all this. Oh yeah! I want some more on this. And guess what else I can be? I want this skin. 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 This skin. That skin. This skin. And that skin. And this skin. All of this skin, this skin, this skin as well. This skin, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. If you can buy me all those skins, I'll give you $1,000. Alright, bye. I'll see you next time. Good.